Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the button keys on the Nintendo Switch left Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, take out the battery using a pry tool. Next, undo 3 screws securing the battery compartment cover. Next, gently lift the battery cover and disconnect the ZL button flex. Lift the lever and undo the connector cable to free the battery cover. Next, disconnect the SL LR button board flex and left Joy-Con rail connector ribbons. Lift the lever and gently slide out the cables. Now you can separate the left front shell and left rear shell. Next, take out the logic board. First, disconnect the L button flex and joystick ribbon flex by lifting the lever. And then undo the vibrator motor plug. And finally, undo 2 screws securing the logic board. Next, gently lift the board using a tweezer. Next, take out the rubber brackets from the buttons and gently pull out the button keys. Next, place and secure your button keys. Ensure buttons are placed in the slot and then secure the rubber brackets. Next, place the logic board in the body and secure it by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the vibrator motor plug. And then secure both L button and joystick ribbon plugs into the board. Next, secure both SL-LR button board plugs and left Joy-Con rail connectors into the board and fasten the levers. Next, secure the ZL button flex cable and place the battery compartment holder. Next, secure the battery compartment holder by adding 3 screws. Next, place and secure the battery. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.